We've improved our Generate a Quote functionality to make direct online ordering easier for you. Along with the detailed instructions below, this is a short video to assist if you're used to generating quotes regularly. The main change is that the functionality is now integrated into the cart. Instead of making a payment at checkout, you now select Generate a Quote. Here's how it works. Navigate to the products you want to quote. This may include devices, consumables, or calibration bookings. Add them to your cart as if you were going to purchase. When you reach the checkout process, select Generate a Quote instead of entering your credit card details or uploading a purchase order for pre-approved clients. The benefit of this feature is that when you receive your PDF quote via email, you can easily proceed with your order with the push of a button without needing to re-enter the details on our website or consult with our team. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.